everyone, today I'm going to show you what you get in the Solotica Contact Lens case. So I get a lot of you guys email us saying, oh, there's no contact lens case, and some even did a chargeback, and you guys took photos. Okay, I'm just going to hold it. So the case comes with the contact lens case and two little glass vials. So just to be clear, in this contact lens case, it's meant to be empty. The contact lenses are actually in these two glass vials here. And usually, you know, with the hydrical colors, it's hard to see, but because this is natural, it's different. But yeah, so the lenses are in here. People thought that, you know, oh, I just got an empty contact lens bottle. But yeah, so this is where the contact lens are in. And then this is an empty contact lens case. So you'll need to soak these in proper contact lens solution. Don't use the solution in here because it's really strong for your eyes. So use a proper contact lens solution, soak it in overnight, and that should get you started. Then you can pour it into here. Make sure you like close it tight. And there you have it.